Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Parmar and today I am going to deal with the topic from margins to center, the rise of queer narratives in Indian cinema. These are my personal information. So let's discuss research question. So my research question is how has Indian cinema evolved in its portrayal of queer narratives and what impact does this shift have on societal attitudes toward the LGBTQ plus community. And hypothesis is the evolution of queer narrative in Indian cinema from stereotypical and marginal representations to inclusive and meaningful storytelling has significantly influenced societal acceptance of LGBTQ plus identities, challenging traditional norms and fostering empathy. So let's firstly start with what is queer theory. Queer theory challenges traditional categories of gender and sexuality, rejecting the binary oppositions of heterosexuality and homosexuality. It emphasizes fluidity, diversity, and instability of social constructs. Queer theory seeks to transgress or question established norms and categories. It views identity and sexuality as a socially constructed meaning they are shaped by culture and society rather than being fixed or natural. Queer theory critiques the ways in which power is exercised through categorization, aiming to create more inclusive and flexible understanding of identity. The ultimate objective is universalize the queerness, encouraging society to move beyond strict binaries and embrace a more open perspective on sexuality and identity. Basically, in queer theories, there are it challenges the traditional categories like categories of gender, male and female, but it emphasizes that there is another gender also, that one person who wants to it describes queer theory studies that one person who is not fit in that category, who want to describe themselves as another gender, so they can be considered as a queer. Queer theory emerged in the 1990s, inspired by Michel Foucault's ideas on societal norms. Gloria Anzaldas challenged traditional views of sexuality and gender. The term queer was reclaimed by the LGBTQ community, shifting from its original meaning of strange. Queer Nation redefined queer in the 1980s during AIDS crisis to promote pride and resilience. Judith Butler developed the concept of performativity, argued that gender and sexuality are performed through repeated behaviors, challenged traditional ideas of fixed gender identities, where Michel Foucault explored the construction of homosexual identity in the 19th century and analyzed medical and legal discourse in history of sexuality, influenced queer theory by critiquing power structures and shaping sexuality. Like queer means strange or odd, like which is not in the context of or in the eyes of society, which is not normal or which is not acceptable. It count as the queer or strange. So let's see about Indian Hindi cinema and queer gaze. In the past, LGBTQ plus characters in Indian cinema were often shown as a jokes or in negative roles. Over time, Bollywood began telling queer stories with more care and understanding. Like at first, we can say that they are not main center or they are not main focus of the movies, but they are there in the movies to bring some humor or to bring some light. Light tone in the movie, but they are not centered, their problems are not centered, they are often criticized by their looks or by their funny behaviors, gestures, so they are not main in main focus. Movies like Fire, which is which is released in 1996, Allegra, which is in 2016, and Shubh Mangal Zyada Saudhan in 2020 helped normalize queer representation. These films encouraged people to see queer character as a relatable and deserving of respect. Like as we see the past earlier movies, that we are in the sense that we are say that they are marginal, they are side characters, they cannot be the central characters if we see old movies. But the movies like Fire, Aligra, they said that they can also be a part of Bollywood movie as the main character. Despite progress, Bollywood still needs to include more authentic and diverse LGBTQ stories. Early representation of queer identities in Indian cinema. If we see in 1960s to 1990s era, queer characters were often portrayed as a comedic elements or villains. Like if we take example of movies like Mera Naam Joker or Lavaris, so that can be also we can found that cross dressing and exaggerated effeminacy were used for humor, like Raja Hindustan and Masti. We can also find in Masti there is a certain group of guy men. We can find that there they were suffering for to accept their identities. In Raja Hindustani there were two characters. There one is the Kammo, and another is the Gulab Singh. We can find that in Kammo's character, she is a female, but she has the more manly characteristics, and she expressed herself as a more in manly way. While in the other side, Gulab Singh represent, like in Gulab Singh, he is a more have that feminine gestures, and through their dressing or their gestures we can find that they play as a role of comic characters. While we see in 1990s to 2000s that serious attempts being done by the makers, like give them a space in movies like a Fire, which is in 1996 depicted a lesbian relationship. But it depicted that story of two women, but those who surrounded by that their marriage, their unhappy marriage, so they relate with each other, and they develop that relationship, emotional relationship with each other. But that film faced backlash and censorship. That commercialized themes, like in Dostana, it used queer humor but avoid serious exploration. That it also focused on more humorous aspect of the film. Problematic portrayals, like in the film Girlfriend, that it linked lesbianism to trauma, reinforcing negative stereotypes. Common issues in early queer representation in Indian cinema. Like we can find that casting limitations. Queer roles were often played by cisgender actors, like those who are the play of. If we take the play, they were. They are not a really queer person, but they are the role play by any female or male. So the people cannot digest, or people cannot, we cannot have that that representation of true self of queer, such as in a Sacred Games and Lakshmi, which limited the authenticity of the portrayal. Tokenized characters. Queer characters were frequently underdeveloped and included only as a comedic element or a minor plot devices, as seen in Raja Hindustani and Masti. Resistance to progressive narratives. Films exploring queer themes like A Fire and the Pink Mirror. The faced significant backlash, censorship, and the bans from the conservative groups. Like to release these type of films, it is not that much easy when you are in the era of that conservative people. So films like this, Fire and the Pink Mirror, they have to face some kind of backlash and censorship and ban from these conservative groups. Queer depiction in Fire. In 1998, the Fire portrays the same-sex relationship between two women, Radha and Sita, in patriarchal society. It challenges traditional gender roles and societal norms around marriage and sexuality. The film uses fire as a metaphor for passion, rebellion, and liberation. It was a groundbreaking moment in Indian cinema, sparkling national debates on LGBTQ plus rights and visibility. Like we can say that they are not happy with that societal structure of to marry a man and women. So they were married women, but they are not happy in their relationship with their husband. So they initially they were emotionally connected with each other, and it creates their bond more stronger. So they are in the opposite, like which is not acceptable by society, but they are in the relationship. Contemporary films and their queer characters, like if we have a movie Chandigarh Kare Ashiki, which is released in 2021, directed by Abhishek Kapoor, and the film portrays a love story between a cisgender male bodybuilder, which is role played by Ayushman Khurrana, and a transgender woman, which role played by Vani Kapoor. It challenges stereotypes and traditional norms surrounding gender identity and romantic relationship. Acceptance of diverse gender identities and the struggles of trans individuals in romantic relationship. Like we can find that such as transgender cannot they are not acceptable as a as a partner. So through this movie they break this type of stereotype that transgender cannot be a partner. So in this movie we can find that type of depiction. Shubh Mangal Zyada Saudhan. This film stars Ayushmann Khurrana as a gay man fighting for his love and acceptance in conservative Indian family. Like he is in love with another man, but his family is not with their love. So we can find his struggle for his love and acceptance in his conservative family. It uses humor to normalize same-sex relationship and tackle homophobia. Theme we can find that acceptance of LGBTQ plus relationship in familial and societal structures. Next movie is एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, which is published in 2019, featuring Sonam Kapoor. This film explores a lesbian love story while addressing societal taboos and family acceptance, like how a lesbian relationship is grown and in their family, how the journey of acceptance, the relationship we can find here, the courage to come out and live authentically in a conservative setting. Next movie is Badhai Do, which is released in 2022, a comedy drama about a lavender marriage between a gay man, the role played by Rajkumar Rao, and a lesbian woman, the role played by Bhumi Pednekar, navigating societal expectations and their individual identities. Like they are not happy in their marriage. They like due to societal pressure they have to be in that marriage. But we can see that how society's pressure here, and we can find that how they are portrayed that in a normal way, but we can find that they are creating their personal spaces for in the movie queer individuals within societal norms. Another movie is Kapoor and Sons, which is released in 2016. While primarily it is a family drama, we can find, but it subtly incorporates a gay character played by Fawad Khan and address familial acceptance. Like he is playing a role of he's playing the role of a gay man. So eventually he finds that familial acceptance, LGBTQ plus representation in a mainstream narrative. Like as a compared to old narrative, we can not find it as much marginalized, but we can find that now it is there into mainstream narratives. Made in Heaven, which is a web series which is released in 2019, an Amazon Prime series with a central gay character navigating personal struggles and societal prejudices. We can find key themes like intersection of sexuality, societal hypocrisy, and class. Allegra, which is released in 2016, a biographical drama about a university professor, Dr. Srinivas Ramchandra Siras, a professor who was expelled for his sexual orientation. We can find that the struggle, that how he had to struggle with his identity, that he is a gay man. So how he have to struggle and suffer a lot among this society, among the people. The right to privacy and the find against discrimination, the type of key themes we find. And as we see, the Fire is a prominent film. We can say that it's a remarkable film which led LGBTQ plus based film to another direction. The rise of queer narratives in Indian cinema. We can find that its impact on older generation, that they challenge traditional beliefs with nuanced film like Allegra, Ek Ladki Ko Dekha, and slow acceptance. They are not as much open-minded to accept that not all the people, but mostly people, they are not they are not able to accept that as much as fast as film as a medium to foster empathy and understanding. Impact on young adults, that it increased awareness and inclusivity through modern portrayals, positive roles and models in movies like Shubh Mangal Zyada Saudhan. We can find that validation and representation empower LGBTQ plus youth. We can find that the key themes which are raise of which we can find raise of queer narratives in a shift from ridicule to respect. Like they are portrayed as ridicule figures, so and now we can find that they are portrayed as respectable and they have their privacy, they have their own self. We can find that type of depiction. Intersectionality in class, gender and sexuality. Comedy as a tool for breaking stereotypes. Like we can find that comedy is not to express them ridicule, but to express the to break that stereotypes. So, in conclusion, we can say that the journey of queer narratives in Indian cinema has progressed from stereotypes to marginalized to meaningful representation and acceptance. Early portrayals often mocked or misrepresented LGBTQ plus identities, but films like Fire and Aligra brought the struggles into focus. Recent movies like Shubh Mangal Zyada Saudhan and Badaido have further normalized queer stories, breaking barriers and fostering understanding. The transformation highlights how cinema can challenge societal norms and promote inclusivity, giving a voice to the LGBTQ plus community and encouraging acceptance in the society. Like we can find that from the marginalized, from the neglected character to they are the mainstream character and the main focus of the movie. We can find this type of shift in Indian cinema. These are some references. And thank you. Now, if you have any question, feel free to ask.
Pallavi, my question is, what do you think about social change in the context of the existence of peer people?
Yes, Kushi. About I think in social change, the context of existence of queer people, like if we compare this their existence or their importance into society and culture with previous generation or with the past, we can find that in this generation or in today's time, they were really very. Respected in comparison to past times, and we can find that the in Gandhinagar they have this foundation of queer foundation, something foundation like that. So they have, in that foundation they give opportunity to them to express themselves, to stand for themselves. Yes, that's it from my side.
So, Pallavi, my question is, in your observation, what is the impact of using humor and light-hearted storytelling in movies to normalize queer identities?
Yes, Kusum. So if we talking about humor, so humor and light-hearted. So at first we have them as a ridiculous the characters of the movie. But right now there are not any. We can say that there is a humor, but through the humor, the people or the characters who are queer characters, they their we can find their problems. We can understand their mindset. So through the help of humor and light-hearted storytelling in the society, they were eventually accepted as a gender or as a normal people. Yeah, that's it from my side, and thank you so much.